let me introduce myself. My name is Ramanda Reza Pirawa, and I will be simultaneously interpreting this speech on Tech Talks YouTube channel by titled "Why Do We Ask Questions" by Michael Vsauce Stevens. Okay, let's go to the video.
What is the best
Beliau
kind
menanya,
of cheese
apa
to
keju
use
terbaik
to catch a
untuk
bear?
menangkap beruang?
Someone knows over here?
Ada yang tahu nih?
Obviously, the
Jelas
answer is
adalah
camembert.
Camembert.
Camembert?
Camembert
Camembert.
adalah tipe keju.
Okay. Thank you.
Namanya jadi come here bear, jadi Camembert.
I have a head
Beliau
full of
punya
cheese
banyak
puns,
kata humor keju.
but I was told I have to
Tapi
keep it
harus
brief.
lebih singkat katanya. Brie itu nama keju
What
juga.
did the piece of cheese
Apa
say
yang
when it looked
dikatakan si
into the
keju
mirror?
saat melihat cermin? Cheese?
No.
Bukan.
It said
Halloumi. Halloumi
Halloumi.
juga adalah tipe keju.
What can I say, guys?
Dimana beliau
I
suka
love
banget
a
kata
good
humor.
pun. Why?
Kenapa? Kan nggak
I don't
tahu.
know, 'cause
Mungkin
puns
karena
are
kata
funny,
humor itu
right?
lucu.
Why?
Kenapa? Karena
Well, because there's a bit of a surprise
ada
factor.
akibat
You know, you feel outsmarted
kaget.
for a second
Asalnya
until you get the
pengen
double meaning.
pintar gitu, ternyata
Why?
ada humor di balik itu.
I don't, because that's the way language
Mungkin
works.
karena itu cara kerja bahasa.
Okay, I get what these slides are doing. They're
Beliau
playing the why
menjelaskan,
game, right? Where you just
permainan
keep asking
kenapa.
why.
Nah, permainan
Why?
itu
But why?
isinya
After
kenapa,
everything
kenapa,
someone
kenapa
says.
tiap hal yang
Kids do
terjadi.
it all of the
Nah,
time,
anak-anak mesti suka nanya
and
kayak gini.
adults should do it
Dan
more often.
menganjurkan
I'm just kidding. Don't. It's
orang
annoying.
dewasa. Tapi beliau ternyata bercanda.
You can ask
Mengganggu.
why
Bisa
over and
nanya
over and over again forever, even if one day
hingga suatu
we
saat
explain
kita
every
semua
physical
menjelaskan
interaction and
semua
scientific law and hope
interaksi
and
fisik,
dream and regret with a
mimpi,
single elegant equation.
harapan dengan satu
You can
rumus.
still ask,
Kamu masih bisa
why?
nanya, kenapa?
Why that equation?
Kenapa kok rumus
Why doesn't
itu?
the universe
Kenapa kok
operate
nggak
with some
pakai rumus
different
lain
equation?
gitu?
So
Alam
yes,
semesta.
the why game
Ya,
is
makanya
irritating, it's annoying,
Permainan kenapa
and it's
itu
what I do for a living.
mengganggukan. Nah itu tugasnya
Every
beliau.
week, for the past few
Tiap
years,
minggu,
I have researched
akhir
a big
akhir
question,
tahun
a
ini,
funny
mesti
why
nanya
question.
pertanyaan yang
I've researched
pertanyaan
the
kenapa
science,
yang
the
besar,
mathematics, recent
contohnya
theories
sains,
behind all kinds of
matematika,
things.
teori, dan banyak hal.
I do this on my
Nah, beliau
YouTube
melakukan
channel,
ini di channel
Vsauce.
YouTube.
So,
YouTube-nya Vsauce.
Vsauce in the last couple of years has grown
Vsauce
phenomenally.
akhir tahun ini
It's hard to
tumbuh
believe.
dengan pesat.
I now am doing more
Sekarang
than
ada
30 million
30 juta
views every single
tiap
month, with 5.5
bulan.
subscribers, growing more than
4,5 juta
10,000 new subscribers every
tumbuh
day.
mendapatkan 10.000 subscriber
It's
baru.
awesome. I
Keren
love
banget.
it. And I get to ask
Dan
some
beliau
pretty
bisa
ridiculous questions.
membuat
For
pertanyaan
instance,
yang cukup
is anything
gila.
real?
Contohnya,
Come on.
apakah semuanya
How
itu
can you
nyata?
possibly answer that?
Harusnya gimana
Well,
jawabnya?
that's not really the point.
Nah,
The
itu
point is to bring
itu
people in
poinnya,
with a
itu
great
intinya.
question, make them curious, and then once they're
Bikin
there,
pertanyaan yang menarik
accidentally teach them a whole
untuk
bunch of
mereka
things about the
tertarik, untuk
universe.
persuasif, dan ujung-ujungnya
So,
ajarkan
some
mereka
examples
tentang alam
of other
semesta.
questions I've asked.
Contohnya ini pertanyaan beliau yang di channel YouTube-nya.
How much does a shadow weigh?
Berapa berat bayangan?
What does it mean to ask a
Nah,
question
itu
like that? What is a
buat apa
shadow?
nanya pertanyaan seperti itu? Apa itu bayangan?
What color is a mirror?
Cermin itu warnanya apa?
In answering this question,
Nah,
you can
ini
explain a lot about
menjawab
specular
pertanyaan ini bisa
reflection,
banyak
the physics of
refleksi,
light.
hukum
This is one of my
fisika
favorites.
cahaya.
Why are
Ini yang paling
things creepy?
Suka beliau.
Yeah.
Kenapa kok hal-hal ada
So,
menakutkan?
I often go into psychology, that's
dari
more what my background is
psikologi
in.
itu
But a
background
question I
beliau,
have
latar
yet to
belakang
answer,
beliau.
hopefully someone out there knows.
Nah, itu
Please tell
pertanyaannya.
me, why is this
Nah,
called
itu
your
kenapa
bottom
kok bilangnya itu
if it's
bottom?
technically in the middle of your body?
Pantat itu kenapa kok
It's
padahal lokasinya di
ridiculous,
tengah
but it's a
loh. Kenapa
really
kok
good
bilang
question.
bottom atau
I
bawah
ask-
pantat? Sudah ya, ini udah 4 menit, 3 menit. Terima kasih. Sudah ya, terima kasih.